Hello everyone. Today I want to make this video because every week I receive an email from Figma account showing the stats of for that week. It was really a good response for me because I have uploaded several Figma designs. It is publicly available and so many people are using it. It would be great feeling for me that my designs are getting viewed by so many people out there. So however, I noticed that some people are not aware of these designs, so I thought of making video related to it to show how you can use that designs for your Figma journey. Now I will show the proof. Okay, how many people are using it. So this is my Figma account. You can see I get a lot of notification here. Also you can see so many unread messages are there. People are using it. So here you can see lot of designs are there, beginner friendly, and this one is there, right? Educational website. It has got used by 10k people, more than that 3k people. So I feel this, if you are doing any pro portfolio website, you can use these designs. It is very easy, and along with the design you can start coding also. And here also you can see the portfolio website designs, and moreover I made more designs related to landing page and the login page. Mobile screen designs also there, but now currently I was busy so not able to create more designs, but so many are there, you can use it. Many people are using it. It all are more than 10k people are using, so it would be great. You can start with this. I can show you how you can use this easily in your design. Just click on it. Okay, here so many are commented, and here you can see that click on the open in Figma. So it will create we can say like a clone, and you can design there itself. So I will click open in Figma. It will create a copy for me to start working with. So you can use this method to do that. Okay, here you can see the design. You can here modify it whichever, based on your content you can modify it. I have given the color palette also, or like this you can access any of the websites easily, find design easily. So actually this here you can see a lot of things are going on. Okay, if you like it, please do consider it as a like resource for your journey, and I will put the link in the description of this account. You can use it anytime. And also here is my Instagram account. Okay, you can follow me there. And if you have any doubt related to Figma and any kind of roadmap or any kind of help, you can ask with me. Just one message, I can reach you out back very quickly. As possible, I will respond it. And this is my YouTube channel, obviously you know that. You can please do subscribe me. I want to reach 1k subscribers soon. I'm trying from since like 2 years, not able because I'm not consistent because of my exams are going on. So now all the exams are finished, so I can make more videos, and which would be helpful to you people also. Okay, thank you so much. See you in the next video. Next video will be based on your comments. Please support me and subscribe to our channel. Thank you all.